Magandang hapon mga kasama. Muli akong nagawi dito sa may Intramuros mga kasama. At ang daming mga tao mga kasama namamasyal yan. Ayan, yan. Yan, mga namamasyal yan. Yan, may mga foreigner doon. Yan, foreigner yan, dalawa. Ito ang kasama yung memorare or memory. Ito, yan, yan. Ang ganda mga kasama. Ito yung mga nag-donate ng bulaklak mga kasama. Sila yan yan. Saan ba ito? Yan yan. Daming bulaklak. So, from Embassy of Mexico. Ayan, mga nag-donate mga kasama. Sila yung nag-donate ng mga bulaklak. So, yun ang memorare. Ito siya. Na-vlog ko na dati ito mga kasama, kaso lang mga walang bulaklak dati. Ito. Nag-donate din ng Amerika, mga United States. The Embassy of United States of America. From the Embassy of the United States of America. Yan mga kasama. Ito. From Armed Forces of the Philippines. Embassy of Spain. Embassy of Spain. Ito na yung memorare or memory. Hindi kung paano ma-pronounce ito mga kasama. Bahala kayo. Ito, Manila, 1945. This memorial is dedicated to all those innocent victims of war. Many of whom went nameless and unknown to a common grave or never even. Knew a grave that all their bodies having been consumed by fire or crushed to dust beneath the rubble of ruins. Let this monument be the gravestone for each and everyone of the over 10,000 men, women, children, and infants killed in Manila during its battle. Liberation, February 3, March 3, 1945. We have not forgotten, then nor shall we. Ever forget. May the rest in face. As part now of the sacred ground of this city. The Manila of our affections. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos, and have a wonderful afternoon everyone. Thank you very much for watching.